you very much. Welcome. And yeah, it's like you mentioned, my third time to India now. And well, it's also our third time that we organize together with the association Alucast 2018 here, this time in Greater Noida. For us, Indian market, especially in the die casting market, is really important because it's one of the most promising markets for the future. This year in 2018, for us within our product family, the leading die casting shows at NürnbergMesse, it's already the 5th show. And yeah, but for us, it's like I said, it's one of the most important shows as well.
So you believe this is a correct platform to showcase your company?
Yeah, I think for now this is the only platform for the die casting or the aluminum die casting in India. And Alucast is doing a fantastic job in getting all the people here, networking here and sharing the information. The presentations are good. I could find new technology coming in. People share those things. Anyway, it's a good interaction with all the people here in the industry.
The main objective for us was to get new leads from the exhibition, to get to know customers that we don't serve as of now, and to increase our footprint in the market.
Hi, Angeline. It's been a very good experience. It's our first time here, especially in Alucast, and it has been a very good experience so far. Many people have been interested in our stall, in our company, so very good experience.
So like this Alucast 2018 is a good platform where we came, we saw the whole scenario and the solutions for basically from all the processes they are performed for manufacturing. So it is a good platform.
Exhibition is good and it's highlighting and you can see many companies, many foreign companies are participating in this exhibition.